What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I want to show you how to replace the stepper motor of air conditioner. Well, this is the one, a very small one, and it's a 12-volt stepper motor which stays mostly at the right side of this flap, which goes up and down like that. This thing cost me like 250 only from a local store. If you try this online, that will be costly, I guess, a bit, but from a local store just 250. And this is an old one, I removed it, and this is a new one. The wires are short a bit, but now here is a catch in this thing. The colors of the wires are marked here. You can see 5 wires are there: blue, purple, yellow, orange, and red. And check the socket must be the same. And now that's how it stays. Like if you hold like this the socket, from the right, blue, then purple, then yellow, then orange, then red. But when I bought this one, the sequence was a little different. Like the blue was on that side, red was on this side, like that, mix match. And I connected to the circuit board and it was not working. It was like on rotating on one side and then stop there, and the gear inside was keep moving and moving, and outside it was not working at all. So then I just matched the sequence like the old ones. You can see that I just removed the pins from inside of the socket and change and make the sequence like the old one, and this thing is working perfectly. So when you buy the new motors, you gotta check first, you connect it to the circuit board and check if it's working properly or no. If it doesn't work, then change the color sequence like the old one, just like this. So now let me mount this thing and connect to the AC.
Bright lights, it put me in the days, and I can't stop but think about the way that you move around, up and down on that stage. It's your future vibes. Bright lights, it put me in a trance, so I feel like I can do it all. It's a good life that I really want. It's those future vibes.
So it's mounted now, here you can see, and that's a flap right there. So now that's the point right there. Let's just connect this thing. All right, it's done. And now let's turn this on. You can see it's working. Let me turn on the swing.
I got those future vibes.
I can see it's working nicely. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.